Hi, want to know how to change keyboard language on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, open Settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Additional Settings. Open it and here go to this tab which is named Languages and Input. As a next step, choose Manage Keyboard and here choose the Gboard which I am currently using. If you have any different keyboard, you would need to choose its name in the list. As a next step, here we go to the tab named Languages and here we click Add Keyboard. Here, as you can see, we got a list of all of the available languages on this type of keyboard. So for example, let's choose Czech. Here we click Done. And after this, Czech appeared in the list of our languages. Now let's test it. I'll open Google to have just some search bar. And here, if we would like to switch between languages, we would need to simply click on this globe icon. So as you can see, the only difference between English and Czech is the Y and Z that are changing places. But this is it. You can see that the languages are changing on this space. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.